Hello there, my name is Craig Hain. My students call me Dr. Dell. And in this video, you've come to this website is all about how a student can amplify the student's math skills. So if you're the student, it's your skills, or if you're a parent, it's your student's skills. It's going to make any math program that you're studying in high school or middle school much easier to learn. If you have fear or dislike of math, it's going to reduce it greatly. In fact, it's going to eliminate it. In fact, you're going to learn to love math. Now, if you already love math, that's great. This is going to make you love it even more. And it's going to, for all students, help build more self-confidence and self-esteem. And no longer will math be a negative thing for them. Now, you're going to learn all about it on this website by reading this website, but I want to tell you very, very quickly just what this is about and what you're going to get. And then you can study the website, get all the details. I've written a series of books. The first book I called The Golden Rule Math Book, Dr. Dell, that's me, for struggling math students. Now, this is a great book for any student that's struggling with math at any level. And it's going to teach you how to eliminate that struggle. This book is about, it's about 2 hours, hour and a half to read. It'll teach you about the right pedagogy that needs to be used, the right content, how you need a teacher and a coach and all that. And any parent, or for that matter, student, want to read that book. Now, I've got another book for successful math students. Let's assume you are now successful. Maybe you're already successful. How do you retain success? How do you maintain it? And how do you get the maximum success you can from math? That's what this book's about. I have a third book for STEM math students. Now, if you are interested in science and engineering, or STEM, they call it, then you definitely want to read this book, because today things are dramatically different than they were in the 20th century, and that they are in all the current standard math curriculum programs. You definitely want to read this book. Now, all three of these books, if you go to this on this website, you're going to be able to get a PDF copy of them for free. They can be bought from Amazon for $9.99 per book, or there's a Kindle version, but I'm going to give you a free PDF copy of them. Now, what you're really going to want to do to amplify skills once you learn all about it, reading these books, is we have a program called Dr. Dell's Tier 1 Math Program. And what it's about, it's all about how to master a scientific calculator. We use a TI-30XA. Now, this is a wonderful calculator, sells for less than $10, and it is just marvelous. In fact, our ancestors 100 years ago to give $1 million for a calculator like this. What it does is magic. If you master it, it's like any tool, you got to master it. So what I have, this Tier 1 program, is how to master the calculator. Now, what it consists of, this Tier 1 program, is there are 28 lessons, and each one is a tutorial video that's delivered off of Amazon Web Services, run on any computer. And each tutorial video, each lesson, has a set of notes with it and a set of exercises, because you really learn math by doing math. So it's the exercises where you learn it. The video will teach you how to do something, explain it to you, and then you'll do the exercises and do it. And like I said, there's 28 exercises, and most students are going to go through this fairly quickly. Depends on their background and so on and so forth, and their aptitude, but all students can do it, and they love it. Whether you like math or dislike math, they're going to love it. So that's what you're going to get. And this program normally sells for $97. We're having a special for you now for $49. And so on this website, you'll be able to buy it for $49. And you'll get the PDF notes for the notebook. And I will also give you all three of the other books I took for free, PDF copies of them. So go study the website, look at it carefully. Now at the bottom, I've put a much longer video, a 17.5-minute video about me. Where did I come from? What's this all about? Who am I? How did this all come about? What's really going on in the world today of math? And that much longer video gets into much more detail. I want to give you a quick overview of what you're going to get on this website. And once you buy this, read these books and buy this program, it's going to be a marvelous thing for your students. So this is Craig Hain, or Dr. Dell, as my students call me. And I'll probably see you on that longer video, or maybe some other videos. Or once you get into the program, we have interaction with students, Zoom meetings and things like that. So I'll see you on another meeting sometime. Have a great life. Bye-bye.